Modern lifestyle folding tent. It's modern, durable, heavy-duty, portable. Moments like these deserve the right space to unfold. Even in the rain, its waterproof design provides reliable protection. It has UV protection, up to 50 degrees. It withstands high temperatures without damaging the fabric, ensuring both durability and your safety. It's easy to install, space-saving design and height is adjustable. With 2-year service warranty, it features components for safety and security, with nail-ready stability for added support. Made to be heavy-duty and durable, here's how to assemble it. Just a reminder, use scissors instead of sharp blades to prevent fabric damage. Cut only the top part of the box. Then carefully peel off the tape by hand to open it. It is recommended for 2 people to set up the tent smoothly. After unboxing, prepare the frame. Step 2. Pull the frame outward. Step 3. Put the roof fabric on the frame. The roof fabric reinforced parts must be on top of the metal post. Next step, continue to pull the frame outwards, until you could let the steel ball out from the tube hole at the top corner. This is what it looks like when the steel ball is out of the tube. This happens whenever you pull the tent outwards and upwards. To secure it, the 4 corners of the roof fabric must be connected to the 4 top corners of the frame by the Velcro. Step 5. Pull upward the leg tubes until the steel ball out from the tube hole. Each leg has 4 holes to adjust the height of the tent. Step on the foot base of the tent to hold it steady while pulling the tent upward. And remember, as you pull the tent up, make sure to leave a little space at each corner of the fabric to avoid tearing it. Our tent is perfect for cemeteries, beach trips, outdoor events, camping, bazaar market, Christmas party and Holy Week. It's now available at all leading Ace Hardware stores nationwide with 30 years of experience, long-lasting performance and the highest quality available in the market. It would be the best choice to buy modern lifestyle folding tent.